Do you have a plastic bag at home? Few people know this trick. In a plastic bag, I'll start by adding a teaspoon of dry yeast for bread. Then add 250 milliliters of warm water. The water must be lukewarm. Let's close the bag and mix everything well. Next, we'll add 240 grams of wheat flour. Add a pinch of salt, about half a teaspoon. Now mix everything well until it forms a dough. And here, folks, it's at the perfect consistency. Now let's seal this bag tightly. Let it rest for about 40 minutes or until it doubles in size. Look, everyone, how our dough has risen. Let's make a small hole in the top. Now we'll fry it in hot oil. This, folks, is the perfect golden color. Let's set it aside for now. In another container, add 4 tablespoons of sugar. And half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix it well. Then roll the fried dough in this sugar mixture. Once that's done, it's ready, folks. Look how amazing this little pastry is. To make it even better, I'll drizzle melted chocolate on top, but that's optional. And that's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.